Steel contains 0.1 to 2% carbon. The component of air used in the respiratory process is oxygen. The main role of salts in food is to make a small amount of hydrochloric acid which helps in digestion of food. The most commonly used metal by humans is iron. The main component of cow dung gas is methane. The best fertilizer for plants is compost. The pH of aqueous solution of hydrochloric acid can be approximately 2. The highest element found in rocks and minerals is silicon. The gas used to extinguish the fire is carbon dioxide. The aqueous solution of which gas has a strong acidic property. The answer is sulfur dioxide. The industrial production of aluminum from bauxite is by industrial process called electrical decomposition. Hydrogen is made up of acids, hydrogen and elements chlorine. The commercial utility of ethylene and styrene is due to their potential polymerization. The compound that does not form a clean solution with water is benzoic acid. Pure alcohol from Sura can be obtained from this process distillation. The highest amount of substance found in ocean water is ordinary salt. The gas produced by the fermentation of a sugar solution is carbon dioxide. The pH of an aqueous solution of acetic acid is 2. What will be added to it will increase its pH value? Aqueous ammonia. Natural substance, which is made up of only one element and from which energy can be obtained: coal. Water is often not used to extinguish petrol fires. Because water and petrol are inseparable. Petrol forms a layer on the surface of water. Industrial is a group of substances made by electrical decomposition of caustic soda. Chlorine, aluminum. The gas that pollutes the environment is sulfur dioxide. The most important compounds for plant growth are made of nitrogen. How the compound made by heating caustic soda solution with flaxseed oil is used: soap. Sulfur dioxide and oxygen are 2 gases used in the industrial production of sulfuric acid. By what method can pure water be obtained from the ocean's distillation? In which process normal salts are obtained from seawater evaporation? What happens in the white layer that accumulates on the heating element of The? Electrical equipment used to boil hard water: calcium and magnesium salts. Which is the common salt? Sodium chloride. After passing through the rocks, what becomes hard by dissolving in water? Calcium carbonate. What is the chemical name of baking soda? Sodium bicarbonate. Phenomenon used in the process of dialysis given to patients of diseased kidneys. There is a mixture of gunpowder nitrate, sulfur and charcoal. Reagent is the color bleaching reagent, sulfur dioxide. The process of heating a solid object directly into gaseous form is called sublimation. Silver halides are used in photography plates because they are colorless. Do not sleep near or under trees at night because trees leave at night. Carbon dioxide. Quartz glass is a pure crystalline form of silica for passing ultraviolet rays in scientific instruments. The gas used to cook green fruits is ethylene. The primary gold purity is 24 carats. Serpicil is a tranquilizer. Chloroquine is a compound that acts as an anti-malarial drug. The first metal used by humans was copper. The most malleable metal is gold. The industrial process of artificially producing gasoline is called Fischer-Tropsch process. The water of the rivers is hardened by rainwater because they contain calcium and magnesium salts. The pH of human blood is approximately 7.5. Human beings working in asbestos factories become victims of air pollution. The most affected part of their body is the lungs. Dialysis is done on patients who have renal disorders. Indian Central Drug Research Institute is located in Lucknow. The nature of saliva is acidic. An object that can be identified by soft X-ray fake coins with real coins. The paper can be developed from old fingerprints, ninhydrin solution H2O2. The maximum concentration of alcohol does not harm the powers of the human body 0.9%. Anemia is caused due to lack of anemia in the body iron. The best way to sterilize the hypodermic syringe is to give the drug by the vaccine in the body, leaving it in the alcohol for a short time. Gramin is the most suitable and inexpensive means for electrification and home cooking biogas. Amongst the substances used is explosives TNT. Difference between explosion and combustion. In case of explosion, the pressure in the delimited area increases rapidly, but nothing like this happens during combustion. Indian Science Congress Association organizes sessions every year. Fluorescent tubes are commonly used substances, mercury vapor and argon. Commonly used medicine for typhoid is chloromycetin. Ozone is important for mankind as it forms a protective cover to prevent ultraviolet rays. Substances related to diseases in the human system. Antibody. The order of places in India where copper, gold, iron and coal are found is as follows. Khet di. Kolar, Kudrimukh, Jariya. The most abundant source of iron is green vegetables. Which vitamins cannot work in the system of human body, provide energy. Runners are given for instantaneous power. Glucose. The maximum perishable substance while cooking food is vitamin, due to which the dough is puffed up in making bread. The redemption action of carbon dioxide formed during the fermentation process. Which element is essentially in all acids as hydrogen. In oil wells, oil, water and gas are in this ascending order: water, oil, gas. Drinking soda is acidic by nature. Drugs that prevent infection and weathering are called antiseptic. The process of separating compounds from mixtures in a specific way is called refining. Name of the branch of chemical related to the study of living systems is organic chemistry. How does anhydrous calcium chloride work? Dehydrating agent. Cholesterol is a fat alcohol found in living organisms. The substance that cleans dust and grease from the surface is called harmful. To promote fusion, melting, a substance mixed with metals as flux. Water that is not foam from Tisani is called hard water. Inert gases are not chemically reactive. Linseed cake is useful in feeding animals. Magnesia is the main use. Mild laxative. To make ethyl alcohol unsuitable for drinking, what is added to it? Methyl alcohol. What is the unit of DNA? The answer is deoxyribose. The main component of tobacco is nicotine. The metals to be mixed in gold while making jewelry are copper. Who makes utensils for containing strong acids? The answer is glass. The branch of a chemical used to find the actual quantity of substances is called analytical chemicals. The point at which solid, liquid and gaseous forms of a substance coexist is called the triple point. Who has been given the name antibody? Substances produced in the blood that inhibit or destroy the invasion of harmful bacteria. The process of expulsion of water from any system is called dehydration. Riboflavin is a vitamin. The worst air pollution is from carbon monoxide. National Chemical Laboratory (NCL) is located in Pune, in which substance maximum amount of nitrogen is found. Urea sweat contains water, salts and waste matter. Soda bicarbonate is useful in extinguishing a fire because it decomposes into carbon dioxide when heated. Pair of organic bases in natural nucleic acids which are related to hydrogen bonding: adenine and thymine.